I'll be demonstrating how to create an automated YouTube channel that produces over 300 videos in just 10 minutes. We'll just look at one random that I discovered when I searched DP Mindset. They have over 300,000 subscribers and publish some of the most lazy content ever, but it performs incredibly well. Just take a look at some of their videos, which have received more than 7 million views, nearly 5 million views, and 4 million views, respectively, bringing in passive amounts of money for content that is merely text and probably changes in the very last second of the video, which is not at all difficult to create. So we're going to do the same or similar videos like these in today's tutorial. Now going over to their social blade, you can see that this account itself is pulling in anywhere from $1,000 all the way to $25,000 a year in a YouTube channel that probably took a maximum of 2 hours to create. From scratch, and I mean like literally no logo, no banner, nothing, but this is such an easy YouTube channel to be made. And that's what we're going to be doing today within 10 minutes. The first thing you need to do when creating your faceless YouTube channel, it's actually searching for a perfect niche that you're going to be doing. Let's say you wanted to do a foodie facts, then you would be searching in on the foodie niche, but you can also make them very general so that they apply to more people and have a better chance of higher views. Now the way I like to get my ideas is all through ChatGPT. So I'll ask something like, give me 30 examples of short-form YouTube channels that you can start which only require text, and then I'll give you an example. The example I typed in is a Man Facts YouTube channel. The very first 9 seconds is 1% of man only have, and provide it with whatever you want. So I wrote this. And ChatGPT gave me a lot of examples based on what I asked for, and there's already some really great results. We will go with this one financial fact. You could literally do 1 million of those in just a couple minutes. Alrighty, so now that we have our niche, which is going to be top 3 financial facts, the next thing you want to do is checking if there are similar channels and if it's going to be a hard market to get in. So I'm just going to search up for the top 3 financial facts. As you can see, it's a very good niche, and it's really viral these days. So now we are definitely good to go with this niche idea. Now the next thing I'm going to ask ChatGPT is to create me a list of 50 different video ideas that I can use for this YouTube channel. So I just asked ChatGPT to create me a list of 50 different ideas for a YouTube short based on the financial flash I choose from the 30 I have. For example, top 5 financial hacks. Put this into a chart format with the correct answers. Give each hack a rank, a specific column, and number the hack as well. I typed in that I want the top 5, but I will only take the top 3 for today's video. You should give ChatGPT details about what you want it, so here I typed in, give each hack an example for it. For example, 6 tips for effective tax planning. Name me the 6 tips, but it didn't put it in a table, so I asked him to do so, then I asked to do it for all hacks. It provides each 4 hacks alone, so you will keep telling it, and continue to tell you to finish. For me, I only want 30 videos for now. So if you need up-to-date answers for your YouTube videos, I highly suggest using Google Bard, as Google Bard utilizes the internet and will have more up-to-date information than ChatGPT is going to have. So let's copy and paste and type, can you verify that the answers in this chart are up to date as of July 2023? And then from here, Google Bard is able to utilize the internet to verify that all of our answers are actually correct. And as you guys can see, the answers are up to date as of July 2023, which is great. Let's continue. Now we have our information here all in a chart, and the next thing we will do is actually just copy it and paste it into an Excel sheet. That's what I've done right here. I just literally copied the entire chart and went and pasted it into this Excel sheet. Then save it as a CSV because we're going to use it on the next website. So now let's go ahead and open Canva. It's completely free to use and it's really easy to use. Type in YouTube Shorts and select this one over here, then click on Create. So that's exactly the size of the shorts. Over here at the left side, click on Apps, then Bulk Create, then upload the CSV we saved a minute ago. That's why we saved the Excel sheet as an CSV file, or you can download it manually by copying and pasting. Now we have the financial facts uploaded. So now we're going to start adding the pictures and text related to the videos. Click on Elements to use a background that is attractive to the eye. Type in whatever you like. I will type money, for example. Let's take this. Then click on the 3 dots and choose Set Video as the background. And there's so many free websites to use such as Pixels or Pixabay as well. The next thing I'm going to do is actually change the length of the video, as I only want my YouTube short to be around 10 seconds, which is the perfect length for a YouTube short. The next thing we're going to do is add some text. So click on text, then on title, then click on subtitle 3 times. And now we'll connect them in this way. Click on hack, then connect and choose the first hack, then do the same for tip 1, tip 2, and tip 3. So at the top of the screen, I want the financial facts to appear. So I'm going to connect it right here. Now I'm going to add a subheading, and this is going to be the list. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to connect data again for this. Alright, now I'm going to add a background to each of these text boxes so that they will show up clearly by clicking on effects up there. Then background, choose the best color that suits your background video, and you may change its roundness also. However, I'd recommend you guys really try and make them as fancy as you can, just so it looks a lot more attractive to the eye. Now another thing I prefer to add is some kind of watermark on the video, just so people can't just steal your videos and re-upload them. So as our YouTube channel is going to be called Financial Facts, I'm just going to create a watermark at the bottom of the video called Financial Facts. Then I'm going to turn the transparency on it down, let's say to 50, so it's not too distracting for the viewers. Now the next thing we need to do is actually create the timing for these tips to let every tip shows at its own. So in order to do this, click on the 3 dots, then show timing, and then your video timeline will pop up now. Let's adjust the time for every text box we have. Starting with the example, let it be on the entire video from second 0 to 10, then tip 1, let it be 2.5 seconds. Then click on tip 2, now drag it to the black arrow where tip 1 is, so they don't overlap and make its duration 2.5 seconds. As well for tip 3, drag it to the black arrow where tip 2 ended and keep its duration to the end. And of course you can change the duration time of each text box as you like. And you can put tip 1, tip 2, and tip 3 above each other in the center of your video, and now see how it look. Now we can go back to bulk, create, click on it, and then click continue, and then generate. After you click the generate button, it will open a new tab. As you can see, the title size is really big, so go back to this tab and change the size of the text to make it fit to the video size, and we will take it up a little bit. And now generate it again, so now it's done and it looks great. As you can see, I only did 15 hacks, and that's because I want to make a different video background and different text box colors, and edit it differently. In the same folder here, change the background video. I will take this and change the text box colors and upload the new CSV. And the good thing is that the data is still connected, so no need to do it again. And boom, you're able to upload them to your YouTube channel easily. Now let's upload them to the laptop while clicking here. Then click download. After that, click on separate files to get every video downloaded alone. And you can choose the quality you prefer, 480 or 720 or even 4K. And here you go, they are on your laptop now and ready to be uploaded on your faceless YouTube channel. And surely you will find all the links in the descriptions down below. Subscribe to MoneyFlow to be the first one making money online, and don't forget to leave your comment down. Hit the like button for more methods. Check out the last video.